Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures.
Hi, welcome to Adventures Learning. I'm Corban. That's Maya behind the camera.
Hi.
And Terry says hi too.
Hi, Terry. And what are we going to be making today?
We're gonna be making a spoon magic potion.
All right, magic potion. Let's get started. Okay, Corban. So what do we need for our magic potion?
You need an aluminum foil tray.
Okay, or any type of tray.
Some spoons.
All right, we have 2 spoons here.
Some vinegar.
Yeah, so those are clear glasses and they have vinegar in them.
One type and another.
Yeah. All right.
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
Some baking soda.
All right, baking soda.
And then there's
Yeah, that's the vinegar that we poured into the
oh,
cups
there's a little
there.
more in there.
Yeah, just a little bit. All right, let's move on. All right, so Corban is gonna put some drops of food coloring in each spoon here.
And Terry's watching from the baking soda.
Okay, pterodactyl, he's watching.
That's why I named him Terry. Okay, that's it.
All right.
There.
All right, let's go to the next step.
One.
Okay, so the next step is I'm just gonna put some baking soda on each spoon here. Just like that.
It might be too much.
Maybe, but it's okay. If it spills, it's all right.
Oh.
All right, we will go to the next step.
step.
All right, now Corban is gonna very slowly pick up the spoon with baking soda on it, and he's gonna stir it into one of the cups. And some might drop out, but it's okay. Oh!
It's blue.
Oh, look at your magic potion! Cool!
Now let's do the other one.
All right, let's do the other one. We're gonna do the other one now. Let's see what happens. Woo! Magic potion!
It's red.
Red!
I mean, it's pink. That's pink.
Is that pink?
Yeah.
All right.
That's sweet. I put green in there, but it turned out to be blue.
Yeah, and the baking soda and vinegar makes carbon dioxide, and that's a simple magic potion. Did you like that, Corban?
Yeah.
All right. All right, can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Remember to subscribe.
See you in the next video. Bye.